Today, let's talk about Embroider Buddy's musical animals. They play an adorable lullaby and you can monogram them. So you just pull the back and it plays an adorable lullaby. I'm going to talk to you about how I hooped it, and I'm also going to give you some tips and tricks for monogramming on plush. What I used for the bunny was I used 1818. It's kind of a blush color, and you can see how adorable that came out on the ear. Now for the elephant, I used 1682 tan. For the ear, it came out great. I love it. So let me show you what I did. If the embroiderable area that you're working on does not completely fill the hoop, then I recommend that you go ahead and pin it down to the backing. Make sure that your backing always completely fills the hoop, because that makes your embroidery always look consistent from the first letter to the last letter. Also, I have water soluble on top because water soluble helps hold down the plush when you're working on plush, so that your pretty stitches don't have to struggle to go over the plush. So I have water soluble, I have a piece of tearaway, 2 ounces of tearaway on the back, and I have the ear pinned down for the sweet little bunny. Now for the elephant, what I did was I went ahead and hooped it sideways like this. So I'm just going to turn my design sideways. So let's get the elephant on the machine. We're going to do the initials. This is a 3.5 inch hoop. You can of course use any hoop that you like because it's a flat surface that you're working on. So let's get started. The needle that I'm using today is a 65-9 ballpoint. So just a very small ballpoint needle. So that works great for this. The elephant's done. Let's go ahead and get the bunny on. Now the design is approximately 3,000 stitches. So at 1,000 stitches per minute, you could run a musical animal in less than 5 minutes. After you take off all your tearaway and water soluble, leave the water soluble flat in your hand. That way, if you see any extra, you can just give it a spritz with some water. Take the piece that you just took off, put it down very quickly, and what happens is all the water soluble that's on the product sticks to your extra piece and you just pull it off. So if you would like to become a retailer for these great musical animals, go to the link below.